Good afternoon. My name is Javier Barrera, Business Administration student in Argentina. In my personal base, let's is travel to countries even never ventured in development. We could fluent my second language in well-being alphas. Remind first marathon I venture experience, um, gold scanning or bungee jumping, incredibly chismes, when I public my book in threads. If I own money, you will travel to country never ventured. In languages, I practice every day. I will become fluent a second language. In deport, if I follow my training plan, I will run first marathon in adventure. If I visit monument in winter, I will is in Northern Lights. Irrelevant. If I finish my manuscript this year, I publish my own book. In trades, my friends they the money. I did travel to a country I never been to. Conditionals. In languages, is to practice your Verkun fluence. In Fuifan, the play well the Rune Marathon. If you visit Norway, you will see the lights. In Raymond, if you finish my manuscript, you will publish. Booklet first condition. Travel and the new country fluent in a second language. Run a marathon, see the northern lights. Publish a book, speech, reporter. If I say any month, I will travel to the country I never been to. My friends told me that if I money, I would travel uh, abroad. I practice every day. I will become fluent a second language. My teacher said that I practice every day. I will become fluent. If I follow my training planning, I will run my friends' marathons. The coach told me that if for the plan, he will run a marathon. If I visit Norway in winter, I will see me northern lights. A travels say they if I visit Norway, I will see the lights. If I finish my manuscript this year, uh, I will publish my own book. My editor said that if I finish manuscript, I will publish my book. Uh, Thank you very much.